Hey everybody, FiloPixie here with another video. This time it is Super Mario World in Perler Beads. So here is a little preview for you guys. It's a whole level made out of Perler Beads except for the green line right there. Now in my last video I showed you guys Terraria in Perler Beads. So if you haven't checked that out, please do and let me know what you think. Okay, so we're getting started here with our first tunnel, which Mario jumps out of. And he hits this block above him, which kills a little turtle guy that's standing on it. Below that we've got Yoshi's egg and a Goomba. Next to them we have our second tunnel over here, the piranha plant and coins, 1, 2 and 3 coins. And above that we have Lakitu, who's just chilling out in the sky. Next to that we have our first Rex the dinosaur here, and he is beside a green shell and 3 of Yoshi's apples over here. Above them we have Yoshi himself and Yoshi's egg resting on these blocks right here. They have taken me a very long time, a lot of yellow colours there. Now we have the other Rex, so we've got 2 Rexes going on and he is facing the other Rex. And below them we've got the Cheep, 1, 2 and hang on, and we have this other dolphin guy right there. He was quite hard to make. He's quite big and long. That's what she said. And now we have this other Cheep there. He's looking at those coins. We have this message box. Above that we have our first Paragoomba sailing down to our second Paragoomba right over here. Clear beads used there. And then the coins that we saw earlier. Next to them is Charging Chuck, which is also quite difficult, lots of different colours. Above Charging Chuck we've got more yellow blocks over there. They are actually a platform because above them is this secret tunnel. This secret tunnel which leads to this vine. Goes all the way up, which Mario jumps out of, off the vines to find a dragon coin, a hidden dragon coin there. And lastly the exit sign, which lets you know that you're almost finished. And so that's it guys. It has taken me a few months, a long time, and like over 10,000 beads I would think. Doesn't look like much, but they all add up, and some of the designs I couldn't find on the internet, so I just had to make them up as I went along. So tell me what you think. Is it something that you would do? Let me know in the comments below, or leave a like if you've liked this video. If you're a Perler bead maker, this might inspire you to do something similar, and I would really love to see any of your creations. So until next time, have fun and I'll see you in the next video.